Out here on the ranch, you need a cowboy hat that'll fit. So I hope this is it. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda out in the country, and the sun is blazing today, and you need a hat to protect yourself from wind, rain, hail, sun, and I happen to like the Stetson hats. They've always been good to me. So one of the things that I've always put up with was that God blessed me with a head that is huge, big pumpkin-sized head, and so I usually need a pretty big hat. Now, when I have had cowboy hats in the past, to get that really big, to get the hat really big, what ends up happening is that the top doesn't scale up too. So I have the crease in the top of the hat pressing down on the middle of my head here. So what I wanted to do was see if a different style of hat would fit this giant noggin a little bit better. So I picked up this. This is a Stetson. Now this is a 4X hat, so it's a little bit lower fur content than maybe I would prefer. I definitely like the 6Xs. They're just nice and thick, and they seem really robust and well made, but this one is a 4X. It's in silver sand. Thought I would show you this real time here. Ooh, look at this. They included some felt hat cleaning sponges in there. Pretty nice. And here's the hat itself. So true unboxing. I'm gonna go ahead and, ooh, I like that color. I've never had something quite as light colored as this. Most of the time they've been pretty dark in color, and I just like that because it's not going to be as hot in the blazing sun right now. So you can see here the edges are turned up. The thing that stands out on this hat is it's a pinched front. So many cowboy hats have the creases that are symmetrical almost all the way across. One on the side, one in the middle, and one on the other side. So this pinched front here tends to move those a little forward here. Does have this little strip that goes around here. The buckle kind of looks like your standard Western buckle. That'll sit on the left side of your head there, but I definitely like this color here, and it is pretty thick. So if we flip it around here, you can see the inner leather liner there, and then this almost silk-like lining in the top there. It's kind of missing that traditional Stetson mural of the man letting his horse drink out of the hat on the top there, but no one's gonna see that. The ribbon in the back there, so you can tell which is front and back too. Now, one of the reasons I picked this up is because of this pinched front. So one of the things that I think it's gonna do is it's still gonna give me some indentation up here on the top, which is gonna make it a little easier to grasp. But as you can see here, this middle portion, while it is indented, actually has a rise up there. So instead of this being a low point in the hat, you can see it's almost flush with the ridges on the top. So I think that's going to accommodate my giant bulbous head here. So the moment of truth, let's see if it fits. Oh man, and that is nice. I'm telling you what, this is a hat now I can press down here. It's got good grip on the sides here. I might have it steamed just to move it around because I get just a little bit of space in the front and the back, but just to kind of spread that out. But I can tell you, even if I push it down to where I would want it, I don't know that I want it any lower than that because it's holding on pretty good there. I still don't feel the top here. So this little pinched front here with the little elevated portion in the middle is just perfect for me. So this pinch front hat is the perfect shape for my crazy shaped head here. So I really like this one. I tell you what, if you're a big headed guy and you're looking for a more comfortable cowboy hat, the pinched front Stetson I think is the way to go. If you want to pick this up, I'll put a link to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.
We can discover more and explore so much deeper. We can live better than ever thanks to Peter.